with the dancehall king herself. How are you, Cindy?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. How do you find Barara?
Today was amazing. Barara has always been lovely to me. All these years I've been coming here to celebrate, but today the turn up is amazing. I can't thank Signature Premium enough for having me today. I'm honored.
What do you have to say to that turn up tonight?
I just want to say thank you. First of all, Signature Premium for hiring us, allowing my band to come here. It's not easy, it's not cheap. A lot of people don't want to spend that much, but thank you so much. And then the people in Barara, I love you right back. Thank you for showing us all the love tonight and coming through. We'll never forget it.
You inspire very many young people. What do you have to say to them?
Never stop believing. Never stop believing. Nobody knows what's inside of you, so no one can dictate it or how far it's going to go. So just never stop believing in that thing that you have inside of you. Just do that.
Thank you so much for coming. We are glad that we had you in Barara.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Don't forget John Black. We will be having